William made a law where anyone could legally hunt you. October 14th, 1066 changed England forever and completely. William the Conqueror defeated King Harold at Hastings. The Norman invaders now controlled all of England. William needed to control his newly conquered territory. He introduced a series of brutal new laws. One particular law was absolutely chilling in nature. It literally made humans as huntable as wolves. The law was called caput lupinum in Latin. In English, it meant having a wolf's head. Anyone declared an outlaw received this terrifying status. But what exactly did wolf's head mean practically? In medieval England, wolves were hunted without mercy. Anyone could kill a wolf with complete impunity. There were no legal consequences for killing wolves. In fact, people were often rewarded for it. King John later offered 5 shillings per wolf. That was 10 weeks' wages for common labourers. Now imagine that same rule applied to humans. That's exactly what caput lupinum did to outlaws. If you were declared an outlaw officially, terrifying. Anyone could legally kill you without any punishment. They could hunt you down like a wolf. No trial, no questions, no legal consequences whatsoever. In fact, killing an outlaw was considered duty. It was encouraged by the Norman legal system. The concept came from ancient Germanic tribal law. Wolves lived in the wilderness beyond human civilization. They were seen as opposite of civilized mankind. Criminals who broke taboos lost their very humanity. They were driven into wilderness like wild animals. They forfeited all legal protection from society completely. So naturally, these outcasts became symbolic wolves themselves. The Old Norse word varga meant both things. It meant both wolf and outlaw in Norse. This association was deeply rooted in medieval culture. But how did someone become an outlaw exactly? You'd be accused of a serious crime first. Murder, theft, rape, or treason were common triggers. If you failed to appear at court proceedings, the sheriff would declare you an outlaw officially. Your name was proclaimed publicly throughout the county. You were literally declared outside the law's protection. From that moment, you were fair game entirely. You couldn't own property or conduct legal business. You couldn't sue anyone in court for wrongs. Your family couldn't inherit anything from you either. You were legally dead while still breathing air. Most outlaws fled to forests like Sherwood immediately. They formed gangs to survive in the wilderness. This is where Robin Hood legends originated from. Some outlaws became folk heroes to common people. Others became genuine murderous criminals and bandits entirely. The Foleville gang terrorized England for many years. They murdered, raped, and robbed without any mercy. Yet they were celebrated by some common folk. William's law remained in force for several centuries.